welcome back to Read-A-Roo Kids. My name is Miss Kristi, and today we have another awesome book to read together. If you're as excited to read it as I am, be sure to give this book a thumbs up below, and don't forget to click subscribe. That way, every time we post a new story, we can read it together right away. All right, today's book is Little Blue Truck by Schertle and illustrated by McElmurry. All right, let's get started. Little Blue Truck by Schertle, illustrated by McElmurry. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye when Little Blue Truck went rolling by. Sheep said baa, cow said moo. Oink, said a pig. Beep, said Blue. Cluck, said a chicken, and her chick said peep. Ma, said a goat. Blue said beep. Neigh, said a horse. Quack, said a duck. Beep, said the friendly Little Blue Truck. Honk, yelled the dump truck, coming through. I've big, important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Vroom, went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big, important wheels got stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk deep down in muck and mire. Honk, cried the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard or nobody cared. Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came the Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help! 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 cried the Little Blue Truck. Beep! 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 I'm stuck! I'm stuck! Everybody heard that beep! 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 The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the Little Blue Truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? Look at him, he's saying, I'm strong, with his muscles. All together, 1, 2, 3. One last push, and the trucks were free. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, baa, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, ma. Beep, beep, beep. I loved reading with you today, and I hope that we can read together again soon. To make sure we can do that, don't forget to click subscribe. That way, you'll always be notified when we post a new story. If you'd like some activities to go along with our books, head over to readarookkids.com. There we do all kinds of fun arts and crafts, science experiments, activities, and even some cooking. If you'd like to see what we're up to every day, follow us on all of our social media. Again, I loved reading with you, and I hope that we can read together again soon. Until then, Read-a-Roo loves you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.